Good morning children, welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 4 from exercise 11.2 chapter 11 mensuration. In question number 4 you can see that a diagram is given, a quadrilateral shaped figure is given where you need to find the area of the figure. In this question it is given that the diagonals of a quadrilateral shaped field is one diagonal is given, diagonal is 24 meter and the perpendiculars dropped on him from the opposite vertex, one is 13 meter and another is 8 meter. Length of the diagonal 24 meter, one perpendicular drawn on this diagonal is 13 meter and another from the opposite vertex is 8 meter. You have to find the area of the quadrilateral shaped field. Now you know the area of a triangle. How to find the area of a triangle? If I see this one, say I am taking the name of this quadrilateral ABCD. Now take ADC, triangle, area of triangle ABC, half into base into height, where base is AC and height is say DE. And when we will find the area of this triangle ABC, then AC is again the base and the height is say BF. Understood? Now you need to find the area of this quadrilateral shaped figure. Now area of triangle ADC, half into base into height. Here base is AC means 24. You know the length of the diagonal is given 24 meter and height is 13 meter. So meter into meter, area is meter square. Divide, cancel it, 12. Now 12 into 13, you will get, if you multiply, you will get 156 meter square. Similarly, when you will find the area of triangle ABC, half into base into height, where height is BF, that is 8 meter, and base is the diagonal AC, which is 24 meter. So half into 24 into 8 meter square, cancel it, 12, 8 is 96 meter square. Now the total area of this quadrilateral shaped figure is, therefore area of ABCD equal to this plus this equal to 156 plus 96 meter square. Add this 252 meter square. 252 meter square. Can you see? So this is the total area of this figure. Come to the next question. Question number 5. The diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. Before starting this sum, we have to recapitulate that area of a rhombus. When two diagonals are given, how to find the area of a rhombus? It is half into D1 into D2. What is D1 into D2? Diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Product of the two diagonals. That means half into D1 into D2. That means diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So if two diagonals are given and you have to find the area of the rhombus, then you will find the product of the two diagonals and then divide it by 2, you will get the area of the rhombus. So in this question, the diagonals of a rhombus are, say here given D1, diagonal 1 equal to 7.5 centimeter and diagonal 2, say D2, diagonal 2 equal to 12 centimeter. So you have to find the area of this rhombus. What you will do, using the Formula, therefore area of the rhombus equal to half into d1 into d2. Using this diagonal formula, you can find the area of this rhombus shaped figure. Half into 7.5 into 12 centimeter square, unit is centimeter. When you are multiplying 2 centimeter, that means centimeter into centimeter, it will become centimeter square. Cancel this, 6 to the 12, so 7.5 into 6 centimeter square, then area will be, multiply it, you will get 45.0 or 45 centimeter square. So this is the answer. Come to the next sum. Now question number 6. Find the area of a rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter. You know, in a rhombus all the sides are equal in length. In a rhombus, you have to find the area of the rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter and whose altitude is 4.8 centimeter. If one of its diagonal is 8 centimeter long, find the length of the other diagonal. So you have to find the area of the rhombus first. This is the first question. After that, using that area, you have to find the length of the other diagonal. And you know that rhombus, you all know that rhombus is a parallelogram, special kind of parallelogram. And area of a parallelogram, base into height, area of a rhombus, we can write that base into height, as because rhombus is a parallelogram, the area of a parallelogram base into height, so we are using this formula here, base into height. Here base is given, say 5 is the side and height, that means altitude on that side is 4.8 centimeter, so area is 4.8 into 5 centimeter square. Now when you will multiply, you will see that the area is 24.0, so 24 centimeter square. Now you know the area of the rhombus. Now if one of its diagonal is 8 centimeter, then you have to find the area of the other diagonal. So now you will find the area of the rhombus by using the diagonal formula, as you have to find another diagonal, length of the another diagonal. So you can write also area of a rhombus is equal to half into d1 into d2, where d2 is equal to, d1 say it is given 8 centimeter, therefore half into d1 into d2 say 8 equal to area of the rhombus, which is 24 centimeter square. Area of the rhombus is given 24 centimeter square. So we can use this one now. First of all, we are finding the area of the rhombus by using the formula base into height, as because it is a parallelogram also. So base and height was given, one side and altitude on that side. It is 24 centimeter square. Now you have to find the another diagonal when one diagonal is given. So we are using this area, these two diagonals, half into d1 into d2 is equal to 24. Now 4d1 is equal to 24. Therefore d1 is equal to 24 by 4, that is 6. Therefore length of the other diagonal is equal to 6 centimeter. So you need to write the answer. The length of the other diagonal is 6 centimeter. Using sentence, you need to write the answer. So the length of the other diagonal is 6 centimeter. So students, sums are easy. Watch the video properly, try to understand and do all the sums in your copy. Thank you students.